Chapter number 8, Winds, Storms and Cyclones. Exercise. Question number 1. Fill the missing word in the blank spaces in the following statements. A. Wind is dash air. Answer. Moving. B. Winds are generated due to dash heating on the earth. Answer. Uneven. C. Near the earth's surface, dash air rises up whereas dash air comes down. Answer. Warm air, cold air. D. Air moves from a region of dash pressure to a region of dash pressure. Answer. High, low. Next, question number 2. Suggest 2 methods to find out wind direction at a given place. Answer. The following are the 2 methods to find out the direction of wind. 1. While flying a kite, air exerts pressure on the kite due to which the kite flies. The direction in which the kite flies is the direction of blowing of wind. 2. While riding a bicycle, the direction in which it is difficult to ride is opposite to the direction of the blowing wind. Therefore, while flying a kite or riding a bicycle, the wind direction at a given place can be determined. Next, question number 3. State 2 experiences that made you think that air exerts pressure other than those given in the text. Answer. We have experienced that when we blow a balloon, the balloon becomes tight. If we try to fill more air, then the balloon will burst after an extent. This happens because air exerts pressure. We have also experienced that movement of fringes of windows and doors of our houses when wind blows in a high speed. This also happens because air exerts pressure. Next, question number 4. You want to buy a house. Would you like to buy a house having windows but no ventilators? Explain your answer. Answer. A house having windows but no ventilators should not be bought. This is because warm air is lighter than cold air and therefore it goes up. This warm air can go outside the house mostly through ventilators. If there are no ventilators, then the warm air cannot go outside easily. Next, question number 5. Explain why holes are made in hanging banners and hoardings. Answer. Air exerts pressure. Wind blowing in high speed may break or displace many things. If holes are made in hanging banners and hoardings, then air can pass through these holes, which reduces the air pressure exerts on the banners and hoardings. That is why holes are made in hanging banners and hoardings. Next, question number 6. How will you help your neighbors in case cyclone approaches your village, town? Answer. In case cyclone approaches, the neighbors should be helped in the following ways. 1. By helping in moving to cyclone shelters and other safer places. 2. By asking them to take necessary steps to shift animals, vehicles and household goods to safer places. 3. By calling the emergency services such as police, fire brigade and the medical centers when required. Next, question number 7. What planning is required in advance to deal with the situation created by cyclone? The following planning is required to deal deal with the situation created by a cyclone. 1. Facilities for cyclone prediction and forecasting, which can give cyclone warning in advance. 2. Quick information and communication linkage so that information can be spread quickly. 3. Construction of cyclone shelters and arrangement for moving people to safer places for safety during cyclone. Next, question number 8. Which one of the following place is unlikely to be affected by a cyclone? 1. Chennai. 2. Mangaluru. 3. Amritsar. 4. Puri. Answer 3. Amritsar. 9 number. Which of the statements given below is correct? 1. In winter, the winds flow from the land to the ocean. 2. In summer, the winds flow from the land towards the ocean. 3. A cyclone is formed by a very high pressure system with very high speed winds revolving around it. 4. The coastline of India is not vulnerable to cyclones. Answer is 1. In winter, the winds flow from the land to the ocean.